What's happening, guys? So I haven't made a video in a couple of weeks because I haven't been doing anything really, but today that changes.
Came for my wins, I need my ends. This life is real, don't they pretend. Came off the bench, I get it in, I get it in, I get it in.
So I've more or less just been waiting on the Lexus selling and stuff like that. So I've not really had anything to record, but I have since picked up this car that I'm sitting in, and a pit bike, which we're actually going to be working on today. And my inflatable paint booth arrived, which is sick. So I'm not sure it'll be in this video, maybe the next video. We'll pump it up and review it, maybe, I don't know. But yeah, in this video we're more or less just taking it easy. I'll show you guys this animal of a vehicle that I'm driving now. I'll show you the pit bike and the problems we're having with the pit bike, and yeah, we'll maybe get out on it or do something, I don't know. You'll have to watch the whole video just to see what I'm gonna do. Southern fried tofu loaded fries from the Village Kitchen are incredible. So I'm gonna eat this and then we're gonna get working on this. So this is the pit bike. The back wheel's flat, there is no back brake. The clutch is sort of off a child's bicycle by the looks of things, I don't know. And the front brake's really, like, you have to pump it a load of times before it actually starts doing anything. But it was super cheap, and it starts like first go. So I'd love to show you, but there's no fuel left in it. It must all leaked out on the trailer. But yeah, so the plan for this really is to have a lot of fun with it. I'm gonna put an inner tube in the back, make sure why the last one burst, make sure it wasn't a thorn or something going into it. Probably paint this gloss black or sand black or something, then put bolts in the fairings and just all the stupid stuff really. Try and tidy it up a bit, make the clutch work, and yeah, it should be good. So I'm going to start by screwing off the back wheel and changing the inner tube, and then we will work from there. If it's not blatantly obvious at this point, I have no idea how to change a motorbike tire, so we're going to wing it. I've sort of jammed that in the tire machine and managed to get it. Nope. My hope was that I'd be able to sort of let that peel it up. So I've managed to get the tire machine actually into it, which, yeah, I didn't think would ever work. So here goes nothing. Holy. Did that just work? I think that actually just worked. Holy. Yes. Right, so I don't actually need the whole tire off, I just need it up so I can get into the inner tube. I think that worked. I'm going to try and get this out. I haven't got the stand with me today, so I'm just working with holding the camera. But I think that's actually working. I'll be back. Okay, so I don't understand why the concept of this is so mind-blowing to me, but like, I did not know you could use a car tire machine to just take off tiny little 12-inch motorbike tires. So I took it completely off because there's actually two inner tubes in this already. So what I'm going to do is pull them out, then put the tire half back on, just the first side onto the bead, the inside bit, and then poke our new inner tube in and then just seat it like a normal car tire. I assume this is all working like a normal car tire so far. So yeah, I'm going to see if I can find somewhere to stand the phone so then we can at least get a bit of a time lapse. Okay, so at this point I'm just making it up as I go along. I've put bead sealer the whole way around that, assuming that that might stop anything that's sharp going into the inner tube. So now I'm just going to fire the tire on and then screw it back to the bike, I hope. Okay, so the back wheel's back on. I'm going to put off the stand, put it outside, and take a rip around the yard. But before I do that, I'm going to show you guys the new car. Yeah, way better than the Lexus. I mean, animal of a vehicle, if you ask me. And no, I'm joking. I bought that car as a flip, but it will do for the meantime to drive about in whilst we're waiting on something that I own selling. So yeah, I'm going to get the pit bike outside and then we're going to blast around the yard on it. So for some reason my GoPro mount only goes on at an angle and I can't find anywhere straight. So the footage might be messed up, but I'm going to try. Yeah, so there's only so much riding around you can do with a 3-year-old on the bike, so we're getting Burger King. Cheers.
Oh, do that.
Oh. Cheers. I actually like driving this car, you know.
Yeah?
Yeah. Like, I think I'm gonna call this video, like, I swapped the Lexus or something like that. There's gonna be a clickbaity thumbnail to this video because I love driving this big diesel car. So I hope you guys enjoyed this random update video. I know not much happened, but we have a pit bike now and I might order some stuff for it and do it in the next video. Or there's the paint booth, I've got to set it up. We might do a review on it, so who knows. You guys will know if you subscribe and like and do all the things that make the algorithm happy. And I'll catch you guys in the next one.